Welcome back. Today, fragrances industry have become the part of our lifestyle. Therefore, even though the COVID-19 pandemic hits Indonesia hard, but the domestic fragrance industry keeps its endurance well. Economic observer from InDef, Bima Yudhistira, says that glow-up trend becomes one of the push factor.
Fragrance industry is gaining momentum and moving into a lifestyle trend and are now considered to be an essential part of our way of life. Seeing the development of tertiary economic needs such as fragrance, which has actually skyrocketed throughout the world during the pandemic, Bima Yudhistira, as in-depth economic observer, explained that the glow-up trend on social media is one of the push factor to boost the economic consumption. One company that supports the movement of country's economy through fragrance industry is Mac brand, Indonesian distributor of perfume seeds for retail industry. In the virtual press conference, Hari Wirawan, as the CEO of Mac brand, stated that his company has succeeded in contributing to a thriving economy of 935 billion rupiah in 2020 and is targeting 1.2 trillion rupiah in 2021. This is, of course, also opens up new job opportunities for the wider economy. From all sources, IDX Channel.
And nowadays, perfume is no longer a luxury thing. It has been part of our life. Even during pandemic, people spray perfume as part of daily self-care routine ever since we were put into social distancing. Don't forget about glow-up trend as well, as more people pay attention to self-love these days, which is getting more popular in social media. Seeing the trend, it is estimated that in a few years, fragrance industry will certainly see a significant upward growth trend. Therefore, let's dig more on the growth in fragrance industry in the next graphic. This is the first graphic, actually. So this is growth in global luxury perfume. In 2018, market size was on the level of 31.4 billion US dollar. But during 2020 to 2024, it is expected to grow by 2.43 billion US dollar. And therefore, through the data, is anticipated to register a CAGR of 3.7% during the forecast period. Application growth of fragrance products, including sprays, candles, incense sticks, and gels, in the household industry is anticipated to act as a key market driver. Also, shifting consumer preference towards aromatherapy is expected to expand the industry size. Here it is the fun fact. Regionally, North America was the largest market for the fragrance with a market share of 33.9% in 2018. And it is projected to reach 30.27 billion US dollar by 2025. Meanwhile, developing countries including India, Indonesia, Thailand, and China leads to the rising spending on perfume. Other than these emerging markets demand increase, there are key factors that are driving perfume market growth. Let's see the next graphic. These are the key factors that are driving the perfume market growth. The first one is increasing trend of personal grooming, growing number of affluent and middle class, higher luxury spending, and spread of commercial television, social media, innovative marketing strategies. And plus, social media may fuel or heighten this pressure as people see others post their goals online as part of a trend that is sometimes called glow up. Economic observer from Institute for Development of Economics and Finance, Bima Yudhistira, stated that this glow up trend is one of push factor that drive perfume consumption. Therefore, there are more perfume brands coming up and fill the market, high demand, but still, like any other sectors, there are some brands that become major market participants. What are those? Let's see the next data. This is major 3 luxury perfume markets. We have Chanel, LTD, and Coty Inc. And these major producers are increasing their geographical reach, especially in developing countries, to gain maximum product penetration. The establishment of strategic partnership with major importers and buyers of the region to launch new products as per the customer's demand is expected to be a critical success factor over the next few years. And when it comes to Indonesia, there is one company that has big influence on Indonesian fragrance industry. It is well known as McBrain. Its core business as perfume seeds distributor for retail industry. The earning is fantastic. The CEO stated that the company earned 935 billion rupiah in 2020 and is targeting 1.2 trillion rupiah in 2021. This, of course, also opens up new job opportunities for the wider community. And thanks to Indonesia's large population and its huge needs to fragrance, well, it is not hard for fragrance industry to enter the market because all people use perfume despite the gender. And let's see the insight for the next graphic. This is the perfume and user insights. 40% of them are men and 60% of them are women. This is taken from Grand View Research in 2018. Women accounted for the largest share of 60.1% in 2018. The fun fact is women in the purchase of new perfume is often as once a month in comparison to men who buy it on an average of 1 to 2 times per year. And thanks to the glow up trend that makes people pay more attention on grooming, because if they examine the trend and convert it into business point of view, perfume is a $1 million industry. Stay tuned on Market Headlines because we'll be right back after this break.